So in this particular video, I'm going to go ahead and withdraw 5,000 naira. So to do that, this particular website that I'm about to show you in this video is legit and is paying people real money with no investment. So let me go ahead and click on this withdraw button right here. So my account number was already found, so let me click on submit. As you can see right here, this is my account and they will charge 500 naira for their fees and they will send me 5,000 naira. So let me click on this submit button. So as you can see right here, application sent. After the platform review is complete, the money will be transferred to the bank card. This process is expected to take 72 hours. Follow the official telegram. The withdrawal review can be completed within 48 hours. So in this particular video guys, I want to show you how you can just connect your WhatsApp with this particular website and make at least 3,000 naira every single day with no investment. So all you need to do is to connect your WhatsApp with this particular website. That is all you need to do in this website. So before I continue to the video, if you are watching me for the first time or if you are hearing my voice for the first time, my name is Abakar. So what I do in this channel, I go out there, find different ways and different strategies to make money online. And if they work out to me, I come here to this my channel and share it with you guys. So all you need to do is to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and the most important thing, turn on the bell notification so in order to get notified every time I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's dive into this one. So as you can see guys right here, withdrawal success. I withdraw 4,000 naira before this withdrawal. So let me show you. So if you see right here, the first withdrawal was 1,000 and the second one is 3,000. So approximately that is 4,000. So now I withdraw 5,000. So all you need to do is to go ahead and click the link, the first link in the description of this video. So after you click the link in the description of this video, it will take you to this interface. As you can see right here, this particular website, it's named Goshare. So all you need to do is to register with your phone number and connect it with your WhatsApp. That is all. So let me go ahead and show you how you can just register. So you can just put your phone number right here, email, password, then you can click on this agree button. So I already have an account, so let me go ahead and log in to show you how you can do these all things. So after you sign up with your phone number, so they have a video that will show you how you can just go ahead and connect this particular website with your WhatsApp. So I've already done that before, so I don't want to create another account. So as you can see right here, I was online for 271 hours on this platform with my WhatsApp. So let me go ahead and open this video and show you how you can just connect this particular website with your WhatsApp. So let me click on play. So make sure you stick from the beginning to the end of this video because I don't want you to miss any part of this video. So make sure you watch from beginning to the end. So this video that they create, it will show you how you can just link your WhatsApp with their website. So if you done that, all you need is to complete some tasks which are easy, and then you can request a withdrawal of 1,000 instantly. So sometimes it will take 48 hours before they send you their first withdrawal. So after you done that, So as you can see right here, they indicate online here. If you connect it, it will show online, and you can see it is just 0 hours. So this is newbie tag, newbie bonus. So you can complete all those tasks. After that, you can receive a 1000 bonus that you can withdraw instantly. As you can see right here, this is how they are. So this is how you can just go ahead and connect your WhatsApp with this particular website. It is so simple and easy. And after that, you see this invite section. For every one person that you invite in this particular website, you can get 3,800 naira. So as you can see right here, I have invited 37 friends, but some of them did not connect their WhatsApp with this particular website. So as you can see right here, my commission right here is 9,000, as you can see right here. So after you done that, you can go ahead and copy your referral link, share it with your family and friends, then you can make more money. So if you want to withdraw, you can go ahead and click on this me button. After that, click on this withdraw. So if you did not bound your phone number, you can do it from here, and after that you can request a withdrawal. So that is all you need to do in this particular website to make money. If you are getting value from this, guys, please like this video, subscribe to your boys channel, and the most important thing, turn on the bell notification so in order to get more amazing content like this. So that is for today, guys. And if you want to talk to their agent, you can just go ahead and reach out to them through their Telegram handle from here. So if you request a withdrawal and you are facing problem, so you can go ahead and contact them from this withdrawal problem. And or if you want to register and you are facing problem, you can just go ahead and contact them through this registration login problem. So that is how you can go ahead and make more money on this particular website. The name of this particular website is Goshare. Goshare. The name of this particular website is Goshare. So don't forget to join my WhatsApp community where I share some different ideas, tips and tricks that will help you to make more money on the internet. And if you are getting value from this video, like it, subscribe to your boys channel, and the most important thing, turn on the bell notification so in order to get more amazing content like this. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Peace.